Good evening, everyone. Already I have informed about three visions in the Divine Mother religion. First one is Skull Vision. The Congress party is limited to 10% MP seats due to the sake of K.A. Paul and Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy. And second vision, calendar vision. I have entered the parliamentary system of India with 18th Lok Sabha, 18th Prime Minister Modi and Kavita prisoner number 666. 666 means is also 18, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus. EVM vision, 18th Lok Sabha after 2027 Gemili or interim elections to enter the 19th Lok Sabha. Thank you to all.